So you're seeing ants inside or outside or both. You've run out and purchased this Ortho Ant B Gone Max. Today we're going to jump in and tell you how it works, how to use it, and a couple tips and tricks so you can get success. The first thing is that a lot of people see this straw and disregard it. It actually works really well. You want to take that straw. It can be a little bit finicky, but in this nozzle here, you insert it. There we go. Now it's clicked in and it's good to use. A key feature with this is you get a very concentrated, controlled spray, and you know exactly where this product is going to go. Especially if you're doing cracks and crevices, it forces the aerosol into that area and it will travel deeper into the void and it gets you a better result. And if you're dealing with foundation cracks or little spots under baseboard, you can get the straw right into the void and you get the product where it matters most. So that's a key tip when you're using this. How does the product actually work? Well, the product has a 0.25% permethrin, which is an active ingredient that kills lots of crawling insects, and in this case, ants. With that being said, it doesn't have a very long residual, so targeting perfect treatment areas is critical in order to have results. So where are the ants going to be? Well, outside you can generally see the ant hills or you can see the cracks and crevices that they're trying to crawl in. Inside, they're always looking for food or areas of high moisture. Generally, those areas are going to be your kitchen, washroom, or around sliding glass doors and windows. Those areas have food and high moisture, and that's exactly what these ants are looking for. So where do you apply it? You want to look and see where the ants are trailing. So if you can find their entry points, you want to get this straw in there, treat inside as much as possible, or right along the crack and crevice treatment. They need to come into contact with this, so you do have to be a little bit of a detective and make sure you're putting it where they're going to come into contact. If you see an actual ant hill or colony, you want to blast it right inside of there. Unlike bait, you do need to, again, contact the actual insects with this in order to kill them. They're not going to transport it around, so doing multiple areas is always better. What you don't want to do is treat an area, have that residual scare them, and they move somewhere else and just reinfest elsewhere. So any area where you suspect they may be, you want to really control that area. And whenever you use a product like this, always read the full label on the side. It will tell you exactly what the rules are for using it inside, outside, and how often to reapply. Generally speaking, you want to wait minimum 7 days before reapplying any product to allow it to have its time to work, and that's the safety guideline. Ants are extremely smart, so as soon as they sense danger, and in this case it would be ants dying from the product, they can alert the colony, alert the queen, and they may up and move. So again, around your home, you want to be very diligent and not get too focused on that one area. You want to look all around your home and then outside to see if there's any entry points. If you find those entry points, which are commonly found in the foundation cracks, cracks in silicone from UV, or even cracks where the utility lines go into your home, things like gas, water, and electrical, you want to treat this right inside and then ideally seal them to prevent them from coming back in. One more thing we want to talk about is it does say ant and roach spray. You can definitely use it for that. In our experience, the concentration in here is quite low. So if you do spray a roach, it will kill it on contact, but often what it does is it forces them to go in and hide in other areas. So I would definitely recommend do not use this for eliminating roaches. Do you want to learn more about ant spraying? Check out Trapper Tony's video of an in-depth overview of ant sprays. Please subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more pest control tips and tricks.